Welcome to Tokyo Talk, where we dive deep into the latest in automotive innovation. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Lucid Air, a luxury electric sedan that promises to change the game. With its cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and premium design, the 2026 Lucid Air is here to redefine the future of electric vehicles. So, buckle up as we explore everything this groundbreaking car has to offer. At the heart of the 2026 Lucid Air is a powertrain that stands out in the luxury EV space. This vehicle comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering jaw-dropping acceleration and power. The Lucid Air is capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric sedans on the market. The performance isn't just about speed, though. The Lucid Air is designed to provide a dynamic driving experience with superior handling and a smooth, quiet ride. The vehicle's suspension system, optimized for comfort and precision, ensures that even on the toughest roads, passengers will experience a serene, stable ride. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 Lucid Air is its exceptional range. With an estimated range of over 500 miles on a single charge, this car easily outperforms many of its competitors in the luxury EV market. Thanks to its advanced battery technology, the Lucid Air not only offers incredible range but also enhances charging speed, allowing you to top up from 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes with a DC fast charger. This range puts the Lucid Air in a league of its own, providing long-distance driving capabilities without compromising on the performance that EV enthusiasts crave. The 2026 Lucid Air is a stunning example of futuristic automotive design. With its aerodynamic lines, sculpted bodywork, and wide, aggressive stance, the vehicle looks as fast as it feels. The front features a signature LED light strip that seamlessly integrates into the car's sleek grille, further enhancing its bold and sophisticated look. Inside, the Lucid Air's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The minimalist interior design is complemented by premium materials like leather, suede, and wood, creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The dashboard features a floating touchscreen that provides access to all the vehicle's controls and entertainment options, giving drivers a futuristic yet intuitive experience. When it comes to the interior, the 2026 Lucid Air is all about providing an unparalleled level of luxury and technology. The car's 34-inch curved glass display stretches across the dashboard, offering both driver and passenger access to advanced infotainment features, navigation, and climate controls. Lucid's user-friendly interface is designed to keep drivers connected while minimizing distractions. But it doesn't stop there. The Lucid Air also boasts features like a fully customizable ambient lighting system, a 21-speaker sound system, and a state-of-the-art driver assistance package, making every drive both comfortable and safe. The 2026 Lucid Air is not just a luxury electric vehicle, it's also a glimpse into the future of autonomous driving. With the addition of Lucid's proprietary Lucid Dream Drive technology, the car offers advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. While the car is not fully autonomous, the Dream Drive system allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions, providing an extra layer of convenience and safety on the road. As electric vehicles continue to evolve, the Lucid Air stands out as a symbol of what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets luxury and performance. If you're in the market for a premium EV that combines style, power, and sustainability, the 2026 Lucid Air is definitely one to consider. Thanks for tuning into Tokyo Talk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest car releases and reviews. See you in the next video.